Good afternoon, dear student of the Licenciature Special Education. Okay, welcome to again. Today we are going to try to reinforce the module number one. In the module number one, the topic is all about you. This is the module number one. Remember, it's very important to repeat my name. I am the professor Ariel Perez. Okay, students, let's continue. Okay, in this first module, we have some interesting topics and very easy topic that we need to explain. If you see in the lesson A, we have some important part of this module. Let's continue with the lesson B, lesson C, and lesson D. Okay, students. The question is, if you see the picture, here we have one, two, three picture. In the three picture, we have different greetings. You know what is greetings? You remember what is greeting? For example, do you know a lot of greeting? We have famous greeting you say in the morning, good morning, or hi, hello. That is the greeting. Greeting of you say when you say a person, and greeting when you are going to say something that you're going to see you the next section. You you use an special greeting. Okay, students. Perfect. In the continue with the page. Here we have an important greeting, hello and goodbye. In hello, you need to complete this line or this column with all the greetings about hello. Okay, it's like to do a welcome. In the section line, we have a greeting about goodbye. You need to complete. For example, here we have good night. What another example? See you later, for example, you're going to complete here. Okay, continue. In this page number 2, we have an interesting conversation. In this conversation, we have some greetings. Here below, you need to complete this conversation using the greetings. Okay, for example, they say these people are friends. Here, these people are friends. You say, hi, Pat. How are you? You're going to complete all the information according the conversation. Very important. Complete the conversation according to what the people is doing. Okay, this is one activity. Activity number 2. In this case, we have another person names. This is a person. Hi, I am Liz King. My first name is Elizabeth, but everyone call me Liz. Okay. She says single, is an slash, the name, and later we have an activity. Here we have an activity. My first name is, remember, if your first name is Ariel, you're going to write Ariel. But if your first name is Juana, you're going to write Juana. Remember, the question is for yourself. You need to complete this section according the instruction. Okay, let's continue. Here we have the next page. In the next page, we have a conversation. Review the language. In this conversation, I'm going to send the audio with the purpose that you listen, pronounce, and learn the new words. How do you to repeat and to do a short conversation in English? Listen which classroom is Carmen in this year. What about Jenny? Practice the conversation. Here we have an audio. You're going to listen, you're going to repeat, and later in this section, in section B, we have practice, writing practice. You need to complete all the information that you find here according with the conversation. That has a relationship about the conversation and the practice. And below you find another sample of using the verb to be. For example, are you Chris? Yes. In this case, yes, I am. And here is use the verb to be in plural. Why? Because we have the pronoun we. In this case, are we in the Same class? Yes, we are. And continue to use the verb to be and questions. Continue. Here we have a numbers, cardinal numbers. You remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 10. Here we have the numbers, very important to pronounce. The beauty language. Also, we have a interesting conversation. And in the section B, we have a practice. In this case, we have a practice. You need to complete the information. Okay, guys, students, let's continue. The next page, page number 7, we have use the grammar what. For example, you say what's your name, what's your email address. This is the question you say what. What's your phone number, and next to here you find the answer. Here we have a ID card, fitness gym, some membership, and here you want to complete this information according to the conversation club. Okay, students, let's continue. Page number 8, we have are you here for the concert is the topic. Are you here for the concert? In the conversation strategy, we have another practice. You need to complete the practice. And here we have an easy and interesting conversation. Here we have continue. We have the page number 9, strategy plus. Also, we have information that you need to complete. You need to read and complete all the information. Remember, they are students, they are studying, and they are using the verb to be. Strategy in the palm, important phrase, and important greetings according to the place. And finally, here, finally, in this module number 1, we have an wonderful vocabulary. In this vocabulary, you're going to complete. For example, you say, hello. Here you're going to say, hi, good morning. I am fine. And you to complete according with the expression. You say, for example, you say one greeting, and then another person answer and say another greeting and complete. In the same case here. Okay, student, with this way we finish the module number 1. I hope that each one of you try to understand this module. Okay, any comment, any question, I will be here, try to solve or try to give you the answer. Thank you so much.